Let us start another interesting lecture on information gathering. In the last lecture, we saw how to use OSINT framework, and in this model, we will see how to use another information gathering framework, which is the RedHawk. Now, RedHawk is a Linux terminal utility. It is a software, it is a framework which is probably used in Linux. So, RedHawk is an open source tool that is used for information gathering and certain vulnerability scanning. RedHawk detects the content management systems, that is CMS, in the use of a target web application. Then it finds us the IP address, web server, Cloudflare information, and the most important file, that is robots.txt. Now, RedHawk can also detect WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, and Magento CMS. Other scanning features of RedHawk include WHOIS data collection, GeoIP lookup, banner grabbing, DNS lookup, port scanning, and subdomain information. We are going to see all these information gathering in this video. So now, before installing or before running RedHawk, the first task is to install RedHawk. So we'll head down to our Kali Linux. Make sure you are logged into your Kali account. Then you have to go to your Firefox browser, because we will be downloading RedHawk directly from GitHub. Yes, most of the applications are downloaded from GitHub only. You won't get a Windows installer here. So wait till your Firefox browser loads. If your Kali Linux machine is working slow, you can also increase the RAM of your machine by going into the settings. So once your browser is open, go to google.com and then type RedHawk GitHub. So the first link that appears, that is Tunin Shubra RedHawk. This is the tool which you're going to use. All the credit goes to that author. So once the link opens, you have to copy the URL. Do not click anywhere, just copy the URL and head back to terminal. Now here we need to install the RedHawk framework. So type sudo git clone, which is the command for installing GitHub packages, then paste the URL, and after URL just add an extension .git and then press enter. It will ask for your root password, just enter the password, and there you go. We are done with the installation of RedHawk. Now just click ls. You will see a folder RedHawk. We will navigate inside the folder by changing directory to RedHawk. You can just type R and then press tab. It will automatically change directory, and then ls. There you can see a file rhawk.php, which is after readme.md. Since it is a PHP file, we will execute the PHP file by typing PHP and then the file name, that is rhawk.php, and then we can see that we obtained the RedHawk inside the terminal. Now we have to enter the website you want to scan. For the demonstration purposes, we will always use Certified Hacker, which is the proper website provided by EC Council. So type certifiedhacker.com and then press enter. Then it will ask whether it is HTTP or HTTPS. You can verify it by directly typing the website inside the Google, and it's HTTP in case of Certified Hacker. So you can see there is a lot of options available to find out information like GeoIP lookup, banner grabbing, DNS lookup. Now all this information is also available through Maltego. First we will see GeoIP lookup. The country is United States, latitude, longitude, which is the most crucial information which wasn't shown by Maltego. Then we'll choose another one. I guess we will see the WHOIS lookup. So let us see the WHOIS lookup. Now we have seen WHOIS lookup using OSINT tool. Let us see if it gives the same information. And there we go. We have the same information, that is registered domain ID, registered WHOIS, and other. So you can carry really a lot of information. I won't show each and every option. Just try and explore yourself. You will really get a lot of information, and make sure you use this tool for legal purposes. I will see you in the next lecture.